Alright, so I'm going to show you how to get into these websites here that we copy and change them so that they're actually fitted to the new website. So essentially what we do is we'll take a website like this one here, which is Vancity Towing, and we're going to essentially, you see up in the URL bar, Towing Regina. So we just copied Vancity Towing. So now we need to come in and optimize it so that it's set up like Regina, because Regina is a new property that we're building. So we need this website to be connected to the map. So anyways, so this is a copied site, so we basically need to change mostly everything. So what I'm going to do here is log in to the WP admin. I'm going to give you all this information as we go. And I'm going to log in here. So this, if this comes up, just click remind me later. It's fine. Okay. So this is a WordPress dashboard. I'm not sure if you've ever used it before, but if you just follow exactly what I'm doing to get done what we need done, everything will be fine. So what you'll first want to do here is we're going to want to change the site identity. Some things like in around the site. So we're going to come down here to Divi, and we're going to come into Theme Options. Okay, now right now there is a logo. So if we go to Towing Regina, what's going to happen? So the site logo is this number up here. It's actually not a number. It looks like it's text, but it's actually just a picture of that number. And when you click it, it dials. So you'll see at the bottom of the screen here, you'll see that the phone number comes up. That's so if someone clicks that, it'll dial the number. So what we're going to do is we're going to make a logo. All right. So how we're going to do that is we're going to come back, and I'm going to open up a new page here. And sorry, what you'll want to do is click Pages to get to that. And then it'll give you all the different pages that we have, which we're going to have to delete a bunch of these pages. But first we'll go into Home. That's the home screen image. Home screen page. And we're just going to get the color code of the logo we're going to use, because the site colors, so for example, you'll see this orange, this orange, this orange, it's all the same. We're just going to keep it the same because it's like waste of time to go in here and change all the colors. It's rare that we'll change the colors. So anyways, we're going to find the color. So this is that when you click the pages and I click the home, it opened this screen. So this is the builder that we use. I know it's a little intimidating probably if you've ever used it. It looks intimidating. It's like what's crazy is all this stuff everywhere. But you just want to come down here to Button, okay, and click the little gear icon. And then you'll see the three tabs up here. Click Design, and then come down to Button. Now just scroll down here, and you'll just click this big orange box, and then you'll see this code. You'll copy it, and then we're going to go into this logo maker. So this is logomakr.com. Super simple, easy, and free to use. And we're gonna want to make a towing logo. So we'll just Google tow truck, or not Google, search tow truck, and find one of these here that looks good to you. Again, this is all up to you what it looks like. Let's go into, let's see here. This one's good. Okay, and then we'll just make it a little bit bigger by dragging the arrow out here. And we're going to add some text by clicking the T. And then we're going to click off of it, and then I click on it again and to move it. And we'll call this, what is the name of this site? I think it's Affordable Towing Regina. But let me just verify that real quick. Regina Towing Company. Okay, and I'll give you all this information so you know exactly what you're doing. So Regina Towing Company, where are we? Okay, so okay, and we'll expand this a bit, and we're gonna make this text black, and this logo we're going to go in with the code that we copied, and we're gonna paste it there. Okay, so that orange matches up with this orange. Okay, and let's see here. Okay, I think this is lined up perfect. Good. I'm going to change this text, be a little bit something more fancy. Let's find something here. No, let's see. This one's nice. Okay, so because the way the site's built, you'll look and you'll see here this background is going to always be some sort of image or dark image or whatever. So we're going to want to make two. We're going to want to make one with black text for Google My Business, and then one with white. So we come up here and we save it, and then it's going to bring up this no high resolution files. Just click no thanks, download low resolution file, and then it's going to pop up here if you're using Chrome. So what we're going to want to do now is we are going to want to click this and open it. Actually, scratch that. Go into your local Viking. You'll have your local Viking open. And then find your Regina Towing Company. And then media. Okay, this one already has a logo, so we're just going to delete this. So we set this up before we even did the website. So it's going to delete this, and that's a profile. So we're going to want to add the photo. Click Profile. This is for your logo. And then Browse Files. And then we are going to want to do a new folder just to set this up. Where are we? Oh, hold on. New folder. And this is going to be Regina Towing Company. Okay, I'm just going to save that. Oh, it already has one. So we already have a Regina Towing Company. So let me find that. Regina Towing Company. There it is. Okay, so just some stuff that we've already added to the account. So instead of that, we're just going to delete this because we're not going to use this again. We are going to go to downloads because this is where it downloaded to, that image that was down there. And this is what was just downloaded. We're going to do the same thing you do with Google My Business post images. We're going to find that this is the name, address, phone number. Okay, and we're going to add this in. I'll give that to you so you'll have your own name, address, phone number. This is what you put in the user comment. Comment, you can put in towing service or another keyword. Come down here. Okay, I'm going to submit it. And then I'm going to go back to my logo maker again, click this X, and I'm going to click the text, and I'm going to actually make it white. I'm going to save this one too. No thanks, download it. And then I'm going to go back into my, where are we? Okay, I'm going to open this one. And then I'm going to save it into Regina Towing file folder when it decides to load. Okay, so I'm going to come down here and save as. I'm going to go into my folder. So let's come down here, Regina Towing Company, and I'll save it as logo. Okay, now this is the one I'm going to upload to the website. So let's go over here. Where are we? Okay. Now I'm back at my home page again. Again, how you get there is you're just going to click Pages and then come down to Home and Edit. Okay, so I'm going to do a couple things here. I'm going to upload the logo. Actually, we'll go into the theme options again. So if we go back here, we're in this main dashboard again. We're in Divi. And then it's going to bring you to the theme options. And again, we're back here at the logo. So we're going to upload. Okay, and it's going to bring up a bunch of different options here. We're not going to use any of these photos here because we copied them from another website, which I'm going to tell you about in a minute. We're going to click Upload Files. And then you're going to select. And then we're going to go to find that file. So I have to go into my trail of file folders. Regina Towing Company. Okay, logo, and then alt text. Okay, this is what you're describing as keyword. So you can use Regina Towing Company. Okay, make sure you put a keyword in the alt text. Caption, you can even come over here and grab your name, address, phone number. This is a NAP. And then put that in there, copy and paste it, and then set as the logo. And then you'll want to come over here, and so remember when we looked at it and you hover over it, down in the bottom left corner there, that number comes up. We're not going to use that number. So what we'll want to do is integration. We'll want to use, actually, you know what, I skipped a step because there's a find and replace option that replaces all of the phone numbers. So don't worry about that. Let's go back to general and just save it. Okay, now if you look at the page and I refresh it. Oh, well, that didn't work. Hold on one second. Oh wait, sorry. That is because I changed this logo up here. Okay, so this one up here. So you can see now, was that phone number before? Now it's this phone. It's this. So we're going to go to the home page now. Again, pages, home, edit. And then, so if you look right here, these are all different sections. So that's a bar. So you look right here, you'll see this is a row. This is a section. So this part right here, this whole spot right here with the picture is a section. Sorry, one second. And I'm going to bring this over here so we can see it close together. So that's again the section. That's where the picture is. And you look and you'll see the background, and that's the image. And then this is a row. So this is a container that fits all these things. So that's the image, that's text, and that's a button. So you look and you'll see image, text, which is called actions. That's what we set it up as. And this is a button. So let's go to the image, and we'll click the image. Again, how you do that is you're going to go into, you're going to click that little gear icon, and then you're going to click it here, the image, and then we're going to use this logo. We'll upload it, and then it's going to populate there, save it, and then update. And you'll notice now when I refresh my screen, this is the logo. Okay, so right here, we'll change all this in the next video, but that is how you do the logo, and then how you do the top logo here. So now what I'm going to show you is at the bottom. See where this is Van City Towing? We have to change that. So we're going to go back into Divi, but we're going to theme customizer this time. So this Divi has, so if I go back to my dashboard here, which is if you always need to refresh where you're at. If you want to click your dashboard, you can go back so you're out of whatever setting you're in, and then you go to Divi and then theme customizer. Okay, so you'll see these different options here. So to change the stuff at the bottom, you want to click footer. So click footer and then bottom bar. You just come down here and change it. So this is Regina Towing Company. So it's not in Vancouver, BC, it's in Regina. Okay. And then we come up here and publish. So you see down here, it's Regina Towing Company. And site title. So we'll go back here. I'm going to change the site title now. This looks like it's good, actually. One second. Regina Towing, yeah, that's good. Okay, that was changed before we uploaded it. So select site icon. So this is where we're going to use this again. So that'll be the icon. This works. So again, that would be coming down here and putting a site icon. That's the favicon. That's at the top left corner of the screen there. Okay, exit. And then you're back to your dashboard again. Okay, and then I'll move on to some internal stuff on the next video.